Hi everyone, welcome to a reset day in my life. Recently I've been feeling a little unmotivated, so I thought I'd show you how I get my motivation back in time for a new week. I obviously had to make some coffee and breakfast first, and then I started journaling. Here I'm following a few prompts I saw on Instagram. I'd really recommend doing this as it's a good way to look back on what is working in your life and what you can change. Step 2 in my reset routine is making sure my space is clean and tidy. I definitely notice that when my room is messy, I am less motivated. Cleaning is a great way to refresh your mind and work in a space that is enjoyable to be in. The third step is to get on with any chores you've been putting off. For me, this is always washing. I always let it pile up and I just don't get around to doing it. Another great thing for your reset routine is putting time aside to get inspired. I love using Pinterest to do this. I don't know why, but looking at all the aesthetic pictures puts me in a good mood and inspires me. The next step in my reset routine is to do something I enjoy. For me, this is baking, so I decided to make a coffee and walnut cake. Another important step is to make time for some self-care activities. Whether this is through exercising, making your favourite drink, or doing some self-care activities like painting your nails, I think it's really important to also let your mind reset on a reset day. I film this section on a different day, but one of my favourite ways to relax is painting. Here I was painting a piece inspired by Monet's Water Lilies, which is one of my favourite paintings. As part of an exciting project, I decided to make some jewellery. Over lockdown, I collected lots of jewellery supplies, so I thought I would experiment by making some earrings. I think it's so important to just have something that you purely do for fun, especially during lockdown and weird circumstances at the moment. I hope you enjoyed this video and took away some ways in which you can slow down and reset your life. I always feel so much better when I've had time to relax and prepare for the week ahead.